Good morning. Hey, back at it. Oh, man. I love it, man. I love waking up. You know, sometimes we wake up a little grumpy. Sometimes we wake up with that joy down in our hearts, Waking up with a passion. I'll be honest, when I woke up, it was like, I gotta get up to the sunrise, man. I gotta get up for the sunrise. I gotta do it. Gotta make some content, right? My passion is making content. I'm trying to flood the internet, flood the world with just light, love, and joy. That's the mission. Waking up every day to do that. And I believe in it. I believe it. Because I see it, man. I see so much potential for this world, and mankind in general. Especially when we start working together, right? We start trusting in God. It's my word to you, right? Trust in God today. Trust in God. You going to church today? Do a little meditation today? What are you going to do today? What you going to do today? Find something. Dig deep, baby. Dig deep. Some people say, well, I'm not going to church because God is everywhere, Well, I agree. But I challenge you. Because sometimes I think people say that, I'm not going. But then they end up doing nothing. So do something. Don't be one of those people who say, I'm not going to church or I'm not going to temple because I don't need church to connect with God. Well, don't say that and then do nothing. Meaning, at least try to connect. You better meditate, sing a song at home, read something, right? A book, scripture, possibly. Because I feel it's a cop-out for a lot of people. They say they can connect without church, but they don't do anything to connect. Wake up, take a walk around the block, listen to the birds. And to those who are out there trying to connect and having trouble, just keep believing. Right? It all starts in your belief. Like I have a saying. Seeing isn't believing. Believing is seeing. And the first couple times I typed that thing up, I did it wrong. So I apologize, English friends. I put that thing together with a comma. It should have been seeing isn't believing, period. Believing is seeing. Exclamation. Yes. But for example, take somebody on the far left. They can watch Fox News all day and they ain't gonna see a thing because they don't believe it. Take somebody on the far right. You can put them in front of NBC all day. They're not gonna see a thing because they don't believe it. Take your homegirl, right? You know that man ain't good for her. You know he ain't nothing. You know he wrong. All y'all see him, but she don't see it. She don't see it. She can't see it because she believes in him. She believes he love her. While you see him running around, winking at other girls, hogging all the other stuff, what's going down in his DM right now. But she don't see it because she doesn't believe it. So we see what we believe. So if you want to see God, you have to believe in God. Ooh, that's deep, right? That's deep. To see God, you have to believe in God. You have to actually search. And I said actually, but I meant to say actively. You have to be active in your pursuit. You got to keep searching. And you'll find it. Oh, you'll find it. In fact, you go searching and it's going to find you. It's going to find you. So that's my word to you guys today. Go out and find it. Go search. Go search. Find those answers. Don't be one of those ones saying, oh, I'm going to connect. I don't have to go today. And then just be secular as ever today. Just sit back, watch football, drink beer, and not have one philosophical, metaphysical thought. Come on, man. Give it 10 minutes today. Why are you here? Just a 10-minute little meditation on what is my purpose. And I promise you, something's going to climb down into your heart. All right? That's my word to you guys today.